Look at that sky. I should have put my shorts on. Anyway, it's Friday. Oh, I should have put my shorts on. Not to worry. I couldn't get in yesterday because they haven't got the tiles in stock, so I had a day off, which I'm not. It is what it is, but anyway, Friday we're going to start. We're coming to the end of it now in plot 1. So, yeah. Let's get ready to rumble. Right. Oh, they're not in here. That's the matting down. In between all these little gaps is where the wiring's going to go, obviously not right next to each other. And that, me lovelies, is the shower area. Pretty similar to before. See that line is just right by my foot. That's where the fall actually starts, from either corner into the corner of that. There is a gradual slide from there to there, and then inwards does get slightly more severe, rake, and that's it. All tiles are in ready. I tend to put them all out like that, so I take one from each pile. So if there's slight variations, even though they're the same batch, I'll get that slight variation through the cross section. Anyway, there's 10 metres of tiles in there, and there's about 1.5 to a box. So that's 12 metres, 10 metre floor, 2 metre there. Let's get cracking. See you in a bit. Right folks, I've been on my hands and knees for the last 2.5 hours. Well, 2 hours or so. Apart from getting tiles up and generally setting up, I've pretty much cut everything ready to go in that little square. Just there. Right. I'm just going to have a little bit of a break, have a bit of chicken and some water. Okay, it's coming on. Slowly but surely.